This recipe will make the best congee you have ever had in your life. It's simple, but so delicious. So we start off by measuring 50 grams of rice. Add some water and let it soak for 2 to 3 hours, preferably overnight. Add a little vegetable oil. A pinch of salt. And now the secret ingredient, you want to add the 1,000-year-old egg. Make sure you really work it into the rice. So make sure you coat every single grain of rice perfectly. Add chicken stock and bring it to boil. Stir it initially so you don't burn it. Cook the rice on simmer with the lid off for 45 minutes to an hour. Stir occasionally. Skim off any of the fat or the greasy bit every once in a while. You know you're done when the rice starts to look emulsified with the chicken stock. Now you get any toppings you want, whether it's chicken, beef, or egg. I actually prefer these fried dough that you get from Chinese bakery. Classic topping that you go with congee. This is optional, but I like to top my congee with either dry shallot or dry onions to give it a different texture and add a taste to it. This is definitely optional. Well, I hope you liked this congee and this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help with the YouTube algorithm.